In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to repay Fairmoney loan. So let's say, for example, you have borrowed money from the platform and you're just interested in knowing how to repay back the loan you take from their platform. So what you're going to do is just log into your loan Fairmoney app account. Then on this page right here, you see this is how your page will look like. So where you see your balance, just swipe to the left, so you can see right there. So just swipe to the left, then you can see I don't have any active loan on this particular account. But for you to be able to repay back, if you already take a loan from the platform, you see where this repay show up. So you'll be able to click that option. If you have taken a loan from the platform, you'll be able to see that option. Then you click on it, then you can decide where they should remove the money from, maybe from your Fairmoney account, or you have another external account that you want them to charge from. You'll be able to select and repay back the loan you borrowed from the platform. And if this method doesn't work for you, you can click on the top left icon where you see welcome to Fairmoney. So once you click on that, then scroll down to support and you see need a chat with FA. So just click on that, then you can see loan repayment right there. So click on that loan repayment, then you see do you want to repay your loan. So just click on that. So on this page you see to repay your loan, you can either make a fund transfer to your Fairmoney account. To use this option, please note the information below. If your loan is already due, the payment will be auto debited from your Fairmoney account. To pay before the due date, please initiate a repayment by clicking on the repay, just like what I said before, icon on the landing page. Then make payment with the debit card linked to your Fairmoney loan. To use this option, click on manage loan, then click on make payment, choose pay with debit card. So that is how you can repay the loan you borrow from Fairmoney.